Hey everyone, welcome. We're at Barstools and Dinettes, 8620 Glenwood Avenue in Raleigh. We're going to introduce today our premier collection of Barstools. This is a brand new line that we've cultivated here, and we're going to explain why they're so special and go down the line and give you some examples of what to look forward to. These are in our showroom currently. They're ready to be purchased and ordered. So let's get started here. First off, they're constructed of all steel. Each stool is welded. So at the very most, even our swivel stools only have 4 bolts to them. That's a lot less bolts than what you're probably used to when you get online furniture or something that's flat in a box. This furniture comes in full size, just like this, ready to go right out of the box. The best thing about welded construction is that there are massive weight limits. If you can fit in one of these chairs, you can sit in it without breaking it, I promise. They do have a 10-year warranty on all the weld points on the frame, so that's more than 1-year warranty. They've also got premium cushions in those. In the Barstools here, there are a lot of options. You can get fabrics or vinyls on each one of these. There's about 100 different selections that we've chosen for you. The metal finish on the frame can also be customized to fit exactly your decor.
Say, hey Ben, can you hear me? Just checking my mic.
Just wanted to check the mic. This is the first time we've done this.
Give me a thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, Pam.
I'm talking.
All right, so let's go over to the first stool we've got here. This is called the Jamestown stool. We have it in counter height, but you can order it in bar height or counter height. Again, you can choose your finish on the metal and the fabric or the vinyl on the seat. Right here, we're showing it in just an aged black finish with a Sugar Shack ash fabric. That's a black finish with a gray fabric on there. It's got a nice curve in the seat and a round back. It's a little bit different styling. This stool looks wide, but it's really not that wide. It's only 19 inches wide from side to side on the seat. Next, we'll go over to the Eureka swivel stool. This stool will swivel 360 degrees. It's also available in counter height or bar height for you. This has a 2-tone textured paint. If we can get really close here, you can see a little bit of the texture on the finish. That's a 3-layer paint they do called Silver Bisque. The fabric on there is Mixology Sterling. It's like more of a gray fabric with a little bit of white in there. Pairs nicely with the 2-tone on the finish. Another brand new style to us is the Durham. So we're in Raleigh, but this is the Durham stool, local name. It features a copper bisque finish with a Sugar Shack oatmeal fabric. I know the grays are in right now, but brown and tan will never go out of style. That's what this one features. It's got a 360-degree swivel as well. You can see all welded frame there. Next, we'll go to my personal favorite, the Miramar. This is going to be one of our best sellers. I can almost guarantee it. This one has a stainless steel finish. This finish matches your appliances. You can also get it in a variety of regular finishes as well, but the stainless looks really, really sharp on here. The seats are red. It's Whitaker brick is what the name of that fabric is. We'll get close to the frame. You can see how detailed the stainless work is on there. This puts the premium in our premium collection. All right, moving on, we've got the Makai. This is a non-swivel stool. This also has that 3-step textured paint, which shows off 2 colors. They call this brass bisque. Lots of detail in that finish. That takes a lot of time. This stool shows off our first vinyl covering for the seat. Vinyl is really easy to clean. New vinyls don't peel like most people think old vinyls do. They're made 100% PVC, so these are very durable. That's just all right. This next stool will be another popular one. I can almost guarantee the XBack style never goes out. This stool features a stainless black finish. If you have black stainless appliances, this will match your black stainless on your appliances. Again, a very smooth, sleek finish. This is also a 360-degree swivel stool. The seat on here is also a vinyl. It's Hayyard pewter vinyl. Again, you can order these stools in multiple fabrics and finishes. Next, we've got the Jackson swivel stool. This stool features a fully upholstered seat and back. That's a very popular option right now. The seat has comfort foam in it, so it's a nice quality squishy feel when you're sitting in the kitchen. This has an opaque gold finish on it with a haze fabric. This is a performance fabric, so it's stain resistant. We do have several stain resistant options as well for the fabrics if you don't want a vinyl on your stool. And lastly, to finish off the collection, is the Windsor stool. This stool does have the arm option on it. You can get it without the arms. It has a 360-degree swivel, but it also has something else really neat. It's got a swivel tilt mechanism on there. So you can swivel around 360 degrees, and you can also rock back in it. This is ideal if you like watching football games in your kitchen, because you can all day long. Guys, if you have any questions, just let us know. You can always call us. Our phone number here at the store is 919-787-6680. You can also email us. Our email is barstoolsanddinet@gmail.com. That's BARSTOOLSandDINETT.com @gmail.com. This is our brand new premier collection line we're featuring. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear some comments below. If you have questions, again, email us or call us. Drop a comment, and we will be happy to answer the question.